So I know it sounds like a very simple thing to do, but arranging your pillows in the right way can make all the difference in the world. I love a down-filled pillow because it allows you to make a shape and then have it hold its shape. I think that's one of the more beautiful things about these types of pillows. There are 3 different ways I like to arrange pillows. One of them is the typical kind of a karate chop, where you just chop it right down the middle. Some people say that this style is really outdated. I say, bring it on. It's one of my favorite classic ways to display a pillow. Another great way to show a pillow is when you tuck it in from the sides like this. I call this my cinched waist look. It's almost as if you put a belt around the middle of the pillow. I love this look. It's different, it's unusual, it makes you look a second time. If you're feeling a little less adventurous, you can just simply do the pillow like that. Whatever way you like to do the pillow, just keep in mind that it's all about the details. Take the extra time to do a little bit of effort when you're restyling or rearranging the pillows in your living room or on your bed or anywhere in your house. It makes all the difference in the world, and every time you look at the pillow, I can guarantee you'll smile.